Hello students and friends, Namaste. In the previous video, we discussed about what is the meaning of current and potential difference and their formulas. In this video, I would like to teach about electromotive force and how battery works. In the previous classes, like your 7th class, you have learned what is the basic structure of the battery. Once remind it, we know already the battery consists two terminals, this metal cap and a carbon rod. So this metal cap act as a positive terminal and a zinc plate act as a negative terminal. Inside of the battery, there is a chemical paste. So it may be ammonium chloride. Inside of the battery, there is a chemical paste. This might be ammonium chloride. This is the basic structure of the battery. So this is a positive terminal, it is a negative terminal. Inside of the battery, around the carbon rod, there is a chemical paste like ammonium chloride. Now, I would like to explain what is the working way of battery, what is the meaning of electromotive force. Listen carefully, I am going to tell about the way of working of battery as well as electromotive force at a time. Look at here, just imagine it is one of the pole, it is another pole of the battery. There are two terminals, it is one of the terminal, it is another terminal. At the center of the battery, there is a chemical like a ammonium chloride. So in this chemical, there are two charges, NH4 positive, NH4 plus, Cl minus. So positive charges and negative charges are there. So there are group of positive and negative charges are present at the center of the battery. So in the chemical paste, there are number of the charges, positive, negative charges are there. These positive and negative charges present in the chemical paste like ammonium chloride moves by the influence of a force. That force nothing but a Fc. Fc means chemical force. Due to this chemical force, all positive charges are accumulated at this terminal. All positive charges, the positive charges that are present in the chemical paste, all positive charges are accumulated at a plate. Then this plate becomes positive terminal in the battery. So positive terminal in the battery. What about negative charges? These negative charges, by the influence of this chemical force, all these negative charges accumulated at this plate, accumulated at this plate. Means electrons moves opposite direction to the protons, means positive charges. So positive charges moves in this direction to accumulate it at this plate, and these negative charges moves opposite to the positive charges and are accumulated at here. Then these act as a negative terminal. It is act as a negative terminal. So this movement of the charges, takes place only when Fc is greater than Fe. When the chemical force greater than electric force. This process continuously takes place until the values or the strength or the power of the chemical force and electric force becomes equal. So the movement of the charges, the movement of the positive charges to this side to accumulate it at here, the movement of the negative charges takes place to accumulate at here. This process will be continue until the value Fc, chemical force, becomes equal to the electric force. Are you clear? This positive charge moves to at this terminal, then this terminal becomes positive terminal. The negative charges moves to this plate, then this plate becomes and act as a negative terminal. The movement of these charges that are present in the chemical paste, chemical electrolyte what we used at here, this process takes place only in the situation of when chemical force is greater than electric force. This process will be continue until when chemical force approaches the strength equal to the electric force. This is the situation when we buy new battery. Means in the new battery, what is the value? The strength of the new battery is chemical force equal to electric force. Chemical force equal to electric force means Fc equal to Fe. There is no change. This is the situation. The battery what we buy from the purchased from the shops. So there is no movement of the charges in this time. Are you clear what is the situation of the new battery? Just imagine now. What is the situation? What are the changes takes place when I connect this new battery to the conductor like a wire or any bulb? Now I am going to explain. Look at here. By listening this, you will get what is the EMF. You will understand what is the meaning of EMF. Main concept of the electromotive force.